Today we're going to show you how to find the spare tire in an Acura MDX. This is the second generation and it should work for years 2010 to 2013. This is a 2012 Acura MDX. So the first thing you want to do is find the jack, and if you see this little lever, you just push where it says push and the knob pops open and you lift. Then over here, you'll see there's a little jack symbol, and there'll be a lock and an unlock knob. So you just have to unlock, and this will pop open. And then you'll see here's the jack, and we'll need this tool right here. To lower the spare tire. Now the spare tire is under the car, so you'll just go right under there. So inside the lug nut wrench, you'll see there's a little hex wrench that will help you to lower the spare tire. So you'll need this tire iron, and you'll see over here it says spare tire. Now this can be a little tricky to get off, so you can use a screwdriver, flathead, to pry it out, or maybe your keys or something. Yeah, so I'm just using a bobby pin and opening it up. Maybe. Yep, there we go. So you'll just need something flat to kind of pry it open. So you'll just pull that up. And this is what you will hook on. So you'll put that on and make sure that it feels secure, and then you'll twist counterclockwise, and that will start lowering the tire underneath. So again, it's underneath the car. So that will lower it, and then to tighten it, you just go clockwise and tighten it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you subscribe.